and welcome back to another video. And before we start, thank you for 50 subscribers. When I reach 100 subs, I will do a showcase of my whole Hot Wheels, Matchbox and other car collection. So, help me reach 100 subs for my whole Hot Wheels collection review. I never thought this channel would get 50 subscribers. I only thought maybe 10. So, that's nice. So let's open this one Matchbox that I found because they only had CKs. Yeah, I know this isn't the Hot Wheels. So tiny. Yeah, this is a Matchbox because all the Hot Wheels they had, I either had or I don't like them. So that is it for this Hot Wheels, Matchbox unboxing. See you in the next one.